my income, you know. I have some fans watching from the US, Bahamas, Texas, also from UK.
I'm from the Netherlands.
Netherlands?
Yes.
Yeah, also I have one of my friends from Netherlands. What's your name?
My name is Cynthia.
Yeah, Cynthia.
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Elobego Official on YouTube. Maybe you can type and then subscribe to my channel.
Oh.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Elobego Official on YouTube.
Okay.
Maybe you can type.
If I have Wi-Fi.
Yeah? No, you can type and then if you have a Wi-Fi and then I'll release these videos you can see, you know.
Okay.
Yes.
And what do you post?
Yeah?
And what do you post on YouTube? Your stories? Or?
Yeah, I do my story and then I show people my lifestyle to the world, also culture, you know, traveling vlog. Yeah, things like that. Yes.
You travel? You travel or
Yeah.
not?
Like I find myself shooting my videos and then YouTube starts paying me, you know, $1 per video.
Okay.
I said I'm ready to go.
Okay,
Yes.
it's good. Good luck for that.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah. Maybe you can go, maybe you show your family, they can watch my videos, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Alright. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Okay. Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. A very special, guys. It's early morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So in case you're new here, subscribe, comment, share. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official here. So right now I need to take something and then we're heading outside, you know. So we flow vibe till the end. And right here I have something on my table. This bread right here, and then you know, 3 slices, and then also here we have lemon. Hey, I think inside we have sugar. Wow. So we're gonna do something, you know. Whew. Guys, I'm telling you, soft life all the way. Oh my God. So I need to enjoy myself, guys, you know. Here, ooh, that's black coffee, and also inside we mix with ginger. Let me taste it, guys. I like that. No problem, man. Ooh. So this is sugar. I think this is enough. No problem, man. Life in Africa. And then, look at that. I need to enjoy, man. And then also, because we cook, like we prepare this black coffee here with ginger and hot water. So again, I'm gonna squeeze this lemon juice. Look at that. Chagara. It's already turned the color, guys. Alright, guys. Africa. There's bread here. Hey. Guys, comment on the comment section what do you think about on this video. And to take heavy breakfast and then boom. Life is so sweet. I can hang an end. Yeah, like that, guys. Alright guys, right now I'm full, so it's time to go outside, man. Maybe somebody will ask me, hello baby, what's up? You know, it's a blue light you can see from here. So right now I'm just, left the light on, so as maybe other insects may be going outside, so maybe we do like this. No, not that one. That one, you see, that's green, that's pink, that's white, red. Yeah, that's the blue. It's match with my jacket. Anyway guys, so it's time to go outside right now. Alright guys, it's early morning over here, and I just wake up from my room right there, so I'm heading outside. Wow. Oh guys, I'm telling you, wearing the gumboots, I'm gonna do quick and fast. So in my home here, you need to wear the gumboot, or else, look. But anyway, try to fix. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
Mama, good morning.
I am fine.
You fine? Alright, that's my mama. So right now I'm giving you a special quick tour to the farm. Tractor here. So what about the paraboso? Right. See? Mama is shining. Ukuna fagia. Yeah. Actually Mama, she was sweeping here. So you can see if we touch more about that. Then Mama later when it's sunny, you're supposed to burn this. Because I didn't have rake, so I used my own gumboot. You try to push it, man. It's crazy. Sometimes when I'm around at home, I need to fix things here and there. See? Hey, my sister's growing. Hey, yeah, look at her hairstyle. This way, that way. Hey. So, on today's vlog, are very, very special. And for us, we just use cow to plow. But other people use tractors, Yeah, for those who people asking my sister how she was doing, she's just over here. Wake up. Right now the school have been closed. I can't wait to see my sister opening the school. Third term. What a beautiful day. So, Mama, let's go. Mama's showing on gambut. Oh, man. Look. This is crazy. And then I think I'll jump on one tractor, like boom, heading. Whoa. Yeah, these are massive, man. I'm telling you. For us, we just using the couch. But other people use tractor for plowing. So I'm waiting one tractor here. And I'm missing good to video. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm waiting one of the tractor here. I want to climb on it. And then imagine within let me say they were using around 1 hour. This place could be finished up. So even I'm thinking also one day if I have a land here, I will use tractor. Right. Look, it's coming, man. Nah, Ben, nah, if I check it out, where's tractor? About it, man. Yes, I'm waiting on the guy with the tractor coming here. Whoa! Look at that. Rafiki yangu naweza kaa hapo juu. Naweza kaa hapo juu. Naweza kaa hapo. All right. This is a massive, man. Aya, hata nisikie. Imba kukuru sipenduka. Twende mara moja. Nimedunda sana. Okay. Well, man. Hey. Asante. Hey, it's not an easy thing, guys. I'm telling you. Like, you know. So that's my grandma around. Also, we have our toilets here. Yeah. And I think this is a boundary. I'm not wrong. Right here. There. Habari. Alright guys, the work's still going on. And one of my friends needs to say hello to you guys. I'm telling you. You know. I'm telling you. So here's a boundary. No. So I'm heading down here. So I was, you know, talking with my mama. Yeah? You taonekana ng'ambe. Say hello. Hello. Introduce yourself. Unaitwa nani? Eric. 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 Oh. Are you a Maasai? Kalenji. Kalenji. Okay. So today you see these videos on YouTube. Yeah. Utaonekana leo YouTube. Okay. Aya. Wow. So guys, let me go this way. I'm telling you, even for us, we didn't plow because down here we have another farm or garden. So for us, we're just using the cows. Because of money here and there, other people use tractor. You know, I'm telling you the way it is. So as you can see down here, look, it starts from here going that way, we didn't like plow because we used people's cows. I think last week you see my brother plowing on the other side where he rented the land. So we're still waiting, man. We're still waiting. When the cow is free, we just use it. So when it's not free, man, things how it is here in Africa. Yeah, on this side here you can see a bungalow. Look from a distance. Also, that's my neighbor. Yeah. Wow. So this is where my mama plants maize or corn for powerful ugali, you know. And I'm the guy who likes eating ugali. I don't know why. It's because maybe I was born in Africa, born and raised in Africa. I didn't understand. Wow. Look at this. Yeah, it's bright morning over here. Yeah. So I think if I'll get $50, I'll help my mama to plow here by using tractor right here. But I talk with my mama if they like tractor or cows. I don't know. It's by own maybe opinion. If she needs tractor, guys, only $50. We can plow from other side going down. Yeah, that's how things it is here. So these tractors we find in border town. Most Kalenjin and Maasai just pull up in border town plowing like crazy. So even on other side, I'm thinking to plant some napier grass for our cows, because when everybody planting their maize, our cow will struggle. We have a little bit napier grass start from down coming this way, but if I get money, I'll put men here to plow, like to dig and plant, You know, I was planting napier grass here, but people just left their cows, like, man, this like spoiling them. When you are in a village, you need to handle things here and there, right? So here my brother have already finished up plow, so the only thing that we're waiting here for is to plant maize. Yeah, that's how things it is here. So I'm heading home. I see my grandma cows right there. Yeah, what a good day, man. These videos, it's raw and edited, nothing to be hide on that, you know. But guys, to be honest, I wonder for those people who fighting or bringing conflicts to Ayamara's project. You know, guys, Ayamara, he tried to help one of our young boy by the name Brian, and other people tried to fight, man. What a shame, man. What a shame, you know. People should wake up, man, you know. I wonder, man, for sure I wonder why people fight Ayamara to his project, man, you know. And also it's not his project, it's Brian project, you know. Mara, he tried to help that family, man, from the poverty, changing their life, you know, in Africa here. So people in our village here, they must reason, especially for those people who, you know, try to fight with each other, man. You should stop. If you're watching from my village, please kindly stop, you know. This is the last warning, man. We need our village in the next 10 years. Our village will be on the next level. Will be on maybe another estate, like other people. Will be maybe look like a small city, you know. I'm telling you, Nyabohansa, next 10 years coming, Nyabohansa will be known as a small city. All right, so let's go this way, guys. Yeah, see the cow are grazing here. Look, very in the morning, the cow are grazing. You see that? Wow, because of the noise of the tractor from other side, I'm trying to, to run out of the noise. Look, they're chilling here. Bang. Whoa, whoa. Look at this. Another beautiful cows. So I had yesterday, to be honest, my grandma, she just arrived from the hospital. So I'm going to talk with the, also we have she has a partner. So I'm gonna say hello to them right here. Sweet home, home sweet. That's how it looks like very in the morning, man. Wow. Right, guys, so yesterday I was being here, but I never knew like my grandma, she just came at evening time. So at least right now I see the door being open. Yeah, right now here. Already. So Hoodie's like knocking and then welcome. So I need to talk with them. Alright, guys, I'm heading home. I was talking with my grandma and then with my great grandma. I'm so blessed. I have my both grandma and great grandma. What a blessed day. But I need, guys, as I speak here, it's a serious matter. So yeah, I need to sort out things. I don't want to analyze on public. That's my private issues. So it's cold here. Right. This truck is something crazy. Right now they have reached here. I must be very careful or else they will push my wall of the toilet. Yeah, let's see them. As you watch this video, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support your boy Hello Baby Official here. So I wonder, guys, they've already reached at this side here. So I wanna tell them like, don't come closer. Hey. It's a boundary. Oh, okay. I'm telling you, 1 hour they'll finish everything. And then I think our boundary reach there. There's a stones down here. whoa. See? 2 tractors, guys. Yeah. Right, let's go. Hapa ndo nyumbani. So anyway, we shall meet on the next videos. Let me know what you think about on this vlog, but it's a kind of a crazy vlog, you know. So today we have some tractors here, so it's crazy. Wow. Yeah, man, that's how my home looks like. Yeah. Whew. So I need to prepare myself and then go around. So you people, you try to advise me, hello baby, just wear the helmet. So today I have already fixed my helmet. I will wear it, guys, for my protection, you know. I'm telling you, for my protection. Sometime I realized it's good, you know, to wear the helmet. So stay tuned, more amazing videos coming, guys. Right, let's do this. Alright guys, right now I'm outside heading that way. So these videos I'm rolling from my home and then heading to the next village. So yeah, I'm very happy and I want to say congratulations to Yamaro and congratulations to all subscribers, Team Marwas who supporting us. Thank you so much, guys. May God bless you. So right now, you know, everybody have know the story of Brian, where he came from, and you know, when God say yes, nobody can say no. So I'm very happy. I'm very happy, guys, on that. I'm happy on that, you know. So I'm walking here, taking this way, and then I think I will pass to our neighbor's shortcut and then meet the tarmac road. Imagine how crazy it is today. No bike, no bike. Wow. So that's the maize corn, you know, no chemical, no nothing right now here. So imagine how we're so blessed, man, you know. But our last 2 days it's raining here, the rain of cat and dog. So right now people rush to the farm planting maize. That's my neighbor on this side here, and my neighbor also have a good story to my family. We normally use like to access to my neighbors here fetching water. Where you see that building is, there's a borehole right there, so we normally fetch water here back years, you know. So but everything have its own time, and then I start, you know, constructing my own borehole. Yeah, I think within here, after this block or building in front, right there, yeah, we normally fetch water here up and down. Wow, guys, even me, I can't wait to see Mama Dream House coming in good shape. You know, I'm trying to fight every day. You know, when I get $1, I save until when it reach the target of maybe buying 1 tip of the sand, all stones, I managed to buy, guys. And remember, also, my family needs to eat, you know. So, okay. As you create that, you know, image, like, hello baby, make sure the family to eat. You know, my young brother and sister went to school, things like that. And then also I myself, I need maybe to buy even some like doing my own shopping here and there, you know. So I feel so good, guys, when you're supporting me by watching my video. At least I can manage my family to have something on table. And thank you everybody who's supporting me in financial way. My God bless you. So let's go, let's go. Yeah. So inside here, when I was going to school, I would normally pass here, even going to border town. But my bike can't pass now this year because of these stones here. You know, see this one? That's stones. Wow. Let's go. That's village life, you know. We normally pass here. Wow, I realized when I go this way, there's enough light, but we follow the vibe. Wow. Hey, hey. Let's move. Let's move, guys. That's the local fence right here. Also, we have mabati fence or iron sheet fence on the other side. Look, we're staying neighbors. Yeah. You can see even right now here people plowing, so waiting for plantation. Look, bulletproof house. Mkoroni kaga neno te misku naronda yega hai sta gotonya watare mama sta gotonya mungu boy kokanyera turu mweri tokera to hayu singe futana pono efu biku bitana pono korek bantu pate parage te misku mamukoro no acho heto ko ni nyume ekera to ni chingo enchera kunyeri skum nyungu jane naha bote kuja kuchinza kosalia ndaha ndachira kirako bakansara naha bakansara katuki misukuma mawi misukuma so kiyogore wa uchakunyura waya mesi ngore uli pesku engake icho ke kujesi khona ngo tebi kandani ndiyo ezo he byaji ndani kama kale hara wakati tebi kandani uchini hakili zati kyabutu ndani antira koma kukuma na mama. Yes, right here we have skuma. Tana mama yato koma monon. Da otegere soda. Eh? Tikumu. Mwenye mocho korwani. Nira. Nira. Lego ano chare usinichipata. Eh. Okay. Yeah. Right. So I'm heading this way. Maybe many people in Rwanda today, like, baby, where are you heading to? You know, I'm trying to rotate in my village here. Yeah. Showing you the beautification of my village. I think I'll pass to Mr. Dan and then see the chicken coop house. Also, sometimes it's good to learn from each other. You know, learning is a lesson. Learning is a lesson. That's what I believe, man. Woo. No road here. Oh my god. I get lost, you know. But I'm supposed to go this way. Walking with my gumboots. Yeah. Yeah, this is a serious village. No blagging tents here. Whew, that's chaos. And juice, mellow, banana. You can see avocado. Yeah, these avocados, plenty of them right here. Whew. Let me get a little bit sitting here. You know, walking is the way of making exercise. You know, I'm still making an exercise. Probably I'm going to fix my helmet. I need, when I'm riding my bike, I must wear the helmet. You know, sometime during sunny day, it's very heavy, and then I'm sweating, or my dreadlocks are sweating inside the helmet. So I realized when I'm going maybe long distance, I'm supposed to wear, and also even short distance, for my protection. You guys, you taking care of me. You said, oh, hello baby, hello baby. No, my son, my brother, no. You should wear the helmet. Yeah, that's the number one protective gear. And then I'm trying to make a research where I can get those heavy jackets which have some chest guard here on the elbow at the back. So I'm trying to look that one. If guys, you can find that one, even also the a trouser, please. You can maybe say, hello baby, just get it. And then also some boots of riding my bike. Yeah, because I need to take care of me, because at the same time my family depend on me, like the way I'm loving it, taking care of them. Yeah, I need to protect my life, man, from pneumonia. Anyway, let's go. That's Mr. Dan's home. Yeah, the chicken coops right here. We have two categories of chicken coops. We can build this one for bigger projects or smaller. Look, these some stones here, but people managed to pass. Dani yako hapo? Oh, so I was thinking like Mr. Dan is there, but no one. Okay, lango yako? Aye. Sawa. So I'm passing here. This is the shortcuts. On the other side, we have the beautiful rocks. You can see from a distance. Yeah, even the bigger stones right there. Let's move. Yeah. Also, these are demarcation of the boundary. This side, so it means other side is people's land, and then this side is people's lands, you know. But also nowadays we have two ways, you know, of the boundary. You can maybe mix the concrete and then the steel bar you put there, so as a demarcation or the boundary. That one, no one can pull it and then squeeze your land. You know, this one, it could be easy. When it's raining, somebody can move it from this point here, squeeze it to here. So they try to push your land back. But for us, for example, if maybe I myself, I want to buy my own land, I shoot the videos. So I said from here to there, my land reach here. So no one would bring like conflict, cornering, no. Yeah. This is the truth matters. Yeah. I love it passing on the forest here. And I'm not the guy who's scared, you know. Look, bigger stones right here. I'm still walking, guys, showing you other side of the village where maybe other media didn't show you. And then the good thing is I'm going to meet the tarmac road, you know. Yeah. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way we can support your boy Hello Babe Official here. This car looking like aggressive. So you go to grazing here. Crazy. Or I get lost. I don't know. But it is what it is. I swear in God I get lost. But I'll pass people's home. I get lost. Okay. Yeah. So these kelps here, that's our neighbors, you can see. Yeah, man. There's a lot of kelps here. A lot. I swear in God I get lost. I'm telling you. Me, I was thinking like I'm passing on another route. But let's go. See guys where I'm passing. So I was telling you these are a demarcation boundary of the concrete and some steel bar. So no one who can push it, you know. Okay guys. Oh. But I managed to pass it here, guys. You know, yeah. Look. Oh my God. Yeah. I'm trying to push myself. You know. Yeah, this is the tarmac road here. See the car is passing here. Right. Okay, man. So this is the tarmac road which connects East Africa, and then I'm still jumping to other side, but I'm going to pass right there. Land Cruiser 4x4. Look at that. So there's another road here which I was thinking. So I see the trailer coming like crazy. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh, boom. Whew. Yeah. Right, alright, guys. These are massive. And here, it's another village, but you know, maybe getting a motorbike here, you must maybe jump to the tarmac. You can access getting the bike. So yeah, today I decided let me make an exercise. Making exercise. So on this side here, people are building, man. Let me tell you, people are building. Look, to entire village going deep. People are building like crazy. This is an napier grass here, and it shows you farming is our backbone. We are keeping cows, goats, donkeys, sheep, and also even nowadays, you know, when I was maybe young, I never see the horses, but through a mirror I see the horse live with my eyes, like ooh, like that. With my eyes, like I see the live with my eyes, man. I see the horses, yeah. That's the kind of development that we need in our village here. Also, maybe for the next 5 years coming, in our village here, we should have maybe a huge field where we do horses riding, and then maybe people will pay maybe $5, $10 by enjoying with horses. We need those kind of development. And also, if maybe somebody bought, maybe for example, a car, which maybe the Land Cruiser, there's no need to go in Masai Mara, we hire, or in Nairobi. So here we have Land Cruiser. We can maybe contribute like 12 people. We pay the Land Cruiser, and then it takes us to Masai Mara as we explore. Yeah. Like as maybe we go as a tourist, So me, when I see development coming to our village, like we gain a lot of things. We try to improve our village. That's the kind of improvement that we need. And also, even me, I have my own bike. If I remember last month, I took maybe one of my friend. He lost his dad. I escort them with my bike for free. I carry people from the village to Migori. We pick the body, bring back. So that's the kind of development that we need in our village here. Building, having staff, right, left, center. So yeah. Okay, let's go. Tembe, where? People are putting barbed wire here. Also, we have our little home resorts right there. It's coming in good shape. Yeah. So also we have such a structure like this, from maybe border town to Nyabohanse, and actually this structure or little home resort, they are being built at the center post. People from border town, they can access. People from Nyabohanse, they can access here. You should come with your kids or with your family, enjoying, having cold drink, listening to soft music, having a barbecue right here. I'm telling you, right here. So people should wake up in our village here. Don't be like more greedy. Work so hard, work smart. You see, when somebody like this, he was working so hard. Oh. Oh. Wewe. Vipi? You can see maybe this rooms for sleeping. You can maybe hired the whole month. Mara unaenda yeye.
Oh.
Mtoto maana kama wewe.
Video kokor. No ani.
Ndo last born wenu. No.
This is my child.
You ni last born wenu. Yeah. See guys, how people are building, man. Also on this side here, let me tell you, less than let me say 5 years coming, this could be a nice estate. You know. Yeah, nice estates, nice estates. Look. Yeah. Look, even that tall building, like tall perimeter wall. This is a serious business. Like you can't access going to people's home. You know, it's the local fence that we have compared to the perimeter wall. Look from a distance, guys, and then it's covered by iron sheets. This guy is so rich. He's so rich, man. So rich. Look. Maybe when I was coming from this side here, I'll use this route, and then you see how people building. Yeah. I'm thinking about building a small house like this one. 3 rooms. When I see my house coming in good shape like this one, man, trust me, I'll sleep with my gumboots. Okay. Right, guys. Okay, guys, I'm passing on this estate here. So I think there are 2 of them. Here people do, you can see even lights. No jokes here, I'm telling you guys. So yeah, that's the kind of development that we need in our village, you know. So like we try to bring you know, life from American to Africa. Yeah. Look at that. Sorry guys. Yeah. That's tall building. Even you can't jump to inside. Like jumping to inside, very tough. Very tough. Even the special gates you can see right now here. Yeah, the blocks. Even me outside from my mama house, I think I'll do like that surface you see right here. Let's go. Let's go. This is where rich hide. In our village here. So we're still moving on. Yep. huge. That's him with the car. Yeah, look. The hands for you guys. It's quite early morning here. So anyway guys, I'm heading to Border Town. I'm going to purchase something. So right here I have my rider for today. And let's see how they go. It's crazy. So guys, I need to reveal a little bit. Buying something here for maybe electronic. Okay, let's see guys. Ado musor tadi gor. Or for my income, you know, I have some funds switching from US, Bahamas, Texas, also from UK.
I'm from the Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yes.
Yeah, also I have one of my friends from Netherlands. What's your name?
My name is Cynthia.
Yeah, Cynthia.
Yes.
Okay, my name is Elobego Official on YouTube. Maybe you can type and then subscribe to my channel.
Oh.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Elobego Official on YouTube.
Okay.
Maybe you can type.
Bye, Wi-Fi.
Yeah. No, you can type and then if you have a Wi-Fi, and then I'll release these videos you can see, you know.
Okay.
Yes.
And what do you post?
Yeah?
And what do you post on YouTube? Your stories? Or?
Yeah, I do my story and then I show people my lifestyle to the world, also culture, you know, traveling vlog. Yeah, things like that. Yes.
You travel? You travel or
Yeah.
not?
Like I find myself shooting my videos and then YouTube starts paying me, you know, $1 per video.
Okay.
I said I'm ready to go.
Okay.
Yes.
It's good. Good luck for that.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah. Maybe you can go, maybe you show your family, they can watch my videos, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Alright. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Okay. Guys, I'm doing this something for fixing the bed.
Aje bro.
Randa sasa.
Mimi hapa nataka nifanye kazi moja sasa. Baki nikirudia hisia. Nataka nifanye kazi moja sasa.
So maybe today I will reveal what's going on. A small table.
nataka ninyooshe hii place. Najifanya sioni wakati naiona vizuri tu. Hii kitu iko shega Joy, kitu iko poa.